So for getting a job.
Yes, sir.
So
I am very happy for getting the job. So since 1 year I was trying the job, but I was not getting. Actually, I got a job in my campus selection, but that was fake job.
that's a fake
So
company.
yeah, that was awesome, really fake.
Okay.
So I have wasted nearly 8 months for that job.
Okay.
So after that I have been searching for 3 months,
Okay.
but I was not getting.
Okay.
But when I saw your ad in through Gmail,
Okay.
so I have gone through that one,
Okay.
and I got a confidence that yeah, if I train from this institute,
Okay.
it is very different from other institutes which I found in Amirpet and near Mahidipatnam. There are a lot of institutes,
Okay.
but this one I found is really awesome.
Okay.
And the timings and the systems what you provide is the unique one.
Okay.
Means particular students should work 8 hours totally. So that I was found very good, and the testimonials of all the students. So seeing that I got confident. Then one day I have called you, and then the good journey start from there.
Okay.
And then after in this 4 months I have covered really I got real time experience what to do and what not to do. So in this 4 months I got more knowledge. Then with that knowledge, with the help of you, Gopi sir and Manjuna sir, I got a job.
Okay. Have you ever expected you are going to be a part of a BRN success stories? You will be giving a video testimonial like this.
Yes. So after seeing all the other seniors, my seniors video testimonial, I have imagined at that time that yeah, I would be the one. I would be the number at 120 or 130. So I have achieved the number.
Okay.
the 125 number I have achieved in this BRN Institute
Okay.
of the success story.
Okay. So anything else you would like to share with the people, because there are a lot of people are struggling for the jobs.
Yes, so I would suggest that please don't waste the time by going Amirpet. You just listen the demo class, means you attend 7 to 8 days here, then you will find the difference. What's the difference of this institute and Amirpet Institute? You will find a lot of difference, and you will be getting that hope that yes, I can get the job after you attend 15 days or 20 days. That is this institute is very awesome for the students, those who are lacking knowledge, and if you won't study in your BTech, if you have wasted your 4 years, there is not an issue. If you come here and if you study, if you work hard for 4 to 5 months, then I am confident, and I am confident that you will get the job.
Thanks for your anything else you would like to share?
Yeah, there is not more. So the students, those who are wasting their time, please, I would suggest to them that please don't waste the time, and you once approach to the sir, and if you have any doubts, you clarify with the sir, and you join, and you listen the demo classes for 7 to 8 days, then you will get the hope totally. I would suggest, this is my suggestion from my side.
Okay. Thanks for your feedback, and all the best for your future, Santosh.
Thank you, sir.